There you go.
All right.
Thing looks clear on final, base. I don't even see anybody on downwind.
All right, well, if we're ready to go.
Yeah, he's at the line, but he's not announced yet.
Monroe traffic, Champ 14, Wind at Echo is takeoff for 23, Monroe traffic.
Monroe traffic, 238, 1 next taxi up and 3 to 1 up and 123. Let's climb. Getting the nose up a little bit. 55.
And we'll go complete power off right there.
All right.
'Cause we're good. We're good on
All right. Well, let's go ahead and turn then.
Monroe traffic, Champ 14, Wind at Echo is base for 23, Monroe traffic.
But I'll try and make a flat turn, okay? Ailerons and rudder to establish your bank. And then you should go traffic on interior 1 lane left turn, left down. Alright, there you go. Finals clear right.
final clear right.
Monroe traffic, Champ 14, Wind at Echo is final for 23, Monroe traffic.
Okay, looking good. Pitch for 60. Actually, we're
So right aileron, left rudder. Get you back on center, right aileron.
we dropping really good right
Well, that's fine. Well, we're not lined up with the runway.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling you. Right. Don't play your nose. Right in runway. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Hold it. Pull back, pull back. I'm gonna drop it down. Alright.
Go ahead, go.
No, we'll get off here. I'll stick back all the way. Brakes. Brakes. Even. Straight. 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 Don't try and start turning yet. Straight. Alright. Now we're under control. Now we can make this turn. Nice and easy. Let off the brakes. We're not on the brakes while making the turn.
Yeah.
Alright. That's what happened to you yesterday.
Yep.
Yesterday you were on the brakes.
I was pointed that way, then I was pointed that way, and finally straight.
Yep. Alright. Let's go ahead and go so we can get down here before we get stuck in a traffic jam.
Taxiway looks clear. I notice a lot of planes stop right here. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
I usually have people clean the airplane up. Like, get it ready for takeoff.
Monroe traffic, Champ 14, Wind at Echo is clear of 23 at Alpha 4, taxiing back to 23, Monroe traffic.
Looks good final and base. I don't think anybody's in the downwind. Hadn't heard, and I don't see. So I don't know if you can see where he's at now,
Yeah, I can see him. We can go ahead and go.
but that was about where he was at.
Yeah.
And somebody instantly jumped on and said that I'm midfield.
Okay.
Monroe traffic, Jet 14 Winnie Echo is takeoff at 23, Monroe traffic.
I would just say, well, unless Tinkerbell shows up, you ain't got to worry about me catching you. I'm just joking. I just couldn't shut up and say anything. You just take off. Just probably some student pilot. Don't know what the heck they're talking about. No offense.
I think.
I'm on a traffic signal 123, and I'm Scotland runway 23, departing to the south. On a traffic. Right, brother.
Monroe County Intercom, Cheyenne 77 November, Lima calling.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're landing in about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and we'd like a quick turn, please, if we can get in a still stop sign.
Power back, go ahead and turn.
Monroe traffic, Jet 14 Winnie Echo is base for 23, Monroe traffic.
Go, left aileron, left rudder. Turn, don't go back with the aileron. Alright, you see the runway?
Yep.
Alright, wing level. There you go. Alright, final clear right.
Monroe traffic, Jet 14 Winnie Echo is final for 23, Monroe traffic.
Decrease your bank a little bit. We're going to come up a little bit left center line. Decrease your bank. So there you go. Alright. Might need to add some power. Pull your power back. Nose up, nose up. Back, back, back. More.
See how my front tire lifts up right there? Yeah. Still are. That's what I was talking about yesterday.
Alright, let's stop here. Brakes. Take all the way back. There we go.
That's exactly what
Off
happened
at Alpha
yesterday on
4.
the last one.
We go get off. We don't have to come to a full stop. We got his jet going to take off behind us, so I figured it'd be better for us to get out from in front of him. Alright, go ahead and scoot off the runway here. So I really don't like coming in that low.
Yeah.
So when you realize that that's going to be the case, you go ahead and...
No traffic, this is Jet 3 Mike Foxtrot, taking 23 for departure, Monroe.
I should have listened to you a little earlier.
That's alright. Yeah, when I said...
You told me.
Power.
You told me. He might do a little power, and I was like, well, just give it 1 second.
You're like a teenager.
I gotta find out for myself, huh?
Yeah, that's why I let you
Gotta
do it.
learn the hard way.
Alright, let's do a brief light check. Alright,
Wait.
car feet off, trim take off,
Yeah.
and door shut.
Door shut. Seatbelt's on.
Alright,
Yeah,
so you gotta do that on your own,
Yes.
without.
Lord.
Monroe traffic, Jet 14 Winnie Echo is takeoff for 23, Monroe traffic.
He asked me what about, and I told him, I said, well, I never read where you break off an instrument approach to the left like that. He didn't say nothing else.
You just like calling them out, don't you?
Somebody's got to, otherwise They'll just keep on doing like they're in the thing Wild West. One day they'll thank me because it'll save them from getting killed, but they won't know it, so they'll never thank me.
So I'd like to clean up my takeoffs because they're a little wonky.
All right. So a little bit, push forward a little bit. There you go.
When I say wonky, I'm talking about the liftoff.
Okay, just hold it on the ground a little bit longer. All right, ease back the stick just a little bit. All right, hold it right there.
Yeah, that was much better.
All right, we're already at 55, so let it climb. So what you got to do is once you get the tail up, you ease back to neutral, okay?
Okay.
And then you're not really pushing forward. You're just letting the plane fly. You might hold a little bit of forward pressure, but not much or any. It just depends. But that way, because if you hold it forward, you'll kind of, the gear will start springing on you. You'll kind of start that porpoise, like, bouncing thing.
Okay, yeah.
And then to get it to stop, you either got to take off or push harder. If you push harder, it's going to cause more friction with the tires. It's going to delay your liftoff or, cause your to take longer. So let's stay at 55. Reach back and trim it if you need to. Little.
Yeah, that's what I was
there.
Fuel's on and carb heat. On power back. Pitching for 60. Checking for traffic. Nothing on final. Nothing comes to my right.
Let's go ahead and cut that power all the way back. And just go ahead and turn base now.
Mono traffic, Jet 14, when it go is base for 23, Mono traffic.
With the rudder, because I can already feel it. Okay, check final, make sure it's clear.
Final's clear.
Mono traffic, Jet 14, when it go is final for 23, Mono traffic.
There's that sink. Hold it at 60. Coming down, coming down. Goes back. Goes back. Back, back, back. Once back, back, back. Back, back. Hold it. Go over and touch down sideways.
Yep.
That's why you gotta use them rudders to straighten us out before we touch down. So if you look out the front there, you got two screws. You got a screw on the back side of the cowling and a screw on the front side of the cowling.
Yep.
If you'll keep those screws like a gun sight lined up with the runway, you'll be straight.
Oh, okay.
Unless you're not centered over the runway. But as long as they're lined up, if you got those things, you can tell that they're lined up, parallel. If you drew a line between them. Actually, I've been meaning to ask maintenance if they would just paint a line on the hood of the cowling, straight down the front there, to give us a reference for
Taxiway looks clear.
helping people notice that.
Mono traffic, Jet 14, when it echo is clear 23 at Alpha 3, taxiing back to 23, Mono traffic.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good God.
Well, we got the wind at our back now, so we'd have to. So let's go ahead and stop. So we don't want to cross this line here until we announce that we're taking off.
All right, final looks good. I don't see nobody on base. I haven't heard anybody in the pattern at all.
All right, so let's do our pre-takeoff check.
Okay. car beats off. Fuel's on, seatbelt's on,
Yep.
trim,
Door shut.
door is shut.
I always just give it a little push. Because I've had planes, not that, just put
No, you don't
shut,
want like
it
that.
shouldn't
I
open
got
if
you.
you push on it.
Alright.
Alright?
Monroe traffic, Jet 1418 Echo is takeoff for 23, Monroe traffic.
So if we,
Have you heard the motor spit every time I give it a little gas from dead idle? Makes a little.
well, yeah, I'll listen for it again. So this time, once you get the tail up, just kind of ease back. Don't really pull back. Just let the stick naturally come back to where it wants to be at.
All right.
You got to push it forward a little bit more. Right there. So there, now you ease it back a little bit. Don't hold it in ground section. Okay, we should already be, yep, we're at 55 feet. Whatever that, the nose should be about an inch or so below the horizon. 55.
I got a whole different view than you got, man.
My view, the cowling is actually touching the horizon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm
It
good.
just depends on how tall you are and how heavy we are.
I'm right at 6 foot, so I'm seeing like a foot.
A foot.
Now I am. Yeah, I'd say, yeah, right in there, at least 6 inches.
Well, whatever it is, just remember what it looks like.
Right, yeah,
I don't care what it looks like, just remember it.
right.
That way you don't have to sit there and be staring at the airspeed. Once you see it, hit the air, hit 55, then you can. Quarter traffic, 2097, left downwind, 23 Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Jet 1418 Echo is base for 23, Monroe traffic. Monroe traffic, Jet 1418 Echo is final for 23.
Pound back, be high. Yes, it does. Got a little bit of a right crosswind too. Alright, let's get down closer to the ground. Line it up. Left rudder. Get a little bit of right aileron to that wind. I thought the tail wheel was still off the ground. Yeah, look at that windsock. You got that, you had it, let that right wing come up. Monroe traffic, 20997, left base, 23 Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Jet 1418 Echo is cleared Alpha 3, taxiing back to 23, Monroe traffic.
You remember yesterday when we were talking about not doing stuff while you're taxiing?
Yes.
Let's not do that.
Okay.
You want to, I know you're trying to rush it, but
So stop right there and do all. I'm gonna do it there. Or
take you 2 seconds to stop, do everything.
gotcha.
It's definitely not, no reason to be anxious about
Butter traffic 20907,
knowledge
final
stuff and
23
then
Monroe,
making,
full stop.
simple mistakes like that. That doesn't require any skill whatsoever.